welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys my Walgreens haul. It's not a big haul, but it ended up becoming a super awesome deal for me. I was pretty excited to share with you guys what I got. I did go to a birthday party today, so I was in a super big hurry for couponing, so I really didn't look into all the deals because I just wanted to get in and out because I literally had 10 minutes to do my shopping and get out. Like, that was the fastest I've ever shopped at Walgreens. Like, husband's like, we gotta go, and he wasn't with me, he was at home, but he's like, we gotta go. So it's like, I was in a hurry, I didn't get to really talk, but I'm pretty excited to share with you guys what I got at Walgreens. So the easy freebies that you guys want to do this week are the Mentos mints. Now some of your stores might have them on clearance or something, but my store had these for $1.99. My store was not marked, but these were $1.99. You guys would pay $1.99, but then you guys will end up getting a $1.99 registry reward. So you guys will end up getting those absolutely free. You guys can do that deal as many times as you want. It's just one item per transaction, and do not pay with that. So if you guys wanted to, you could actually do this. You guys could buy one of these and you could actually use the Trolli registry reward, and then you guys will get a $1.99 registry reward. You guys can do that. Just giving you a heads up. Or you can just pay $2 in points to get this for free too. So letting you guys know on that. Then they have the Trolli Gummies. Now these are the movie theater size. These were $1. You guys would pay $1, but then you guys can get a $1 registry reward. So do this deal as many times as you want, just separate transactions, and do not use that registry reward. So I wanted to share with you guys with those deals. I ended up doing the Irish Spring body wash because you guys all know I get an employee discount, so I get it for a different deal, but I really wanted to stock up on body wash. I love getting these deals, and I don't know if they'll have any awesome deals in the future, so I just didn't want to pass these up. So these were $3.99. You guys want to use two $1 off coupons that we got in our Sunday's paper last week. You guys would end up paying just $5.98 for the both of these. But then you guys will get 3,000 points when you guys buy two. Comes out to be just $2.98 or just 74 cents a piece if you guys... Well, I didn't even do that right. Why did I not even do that right? I was thinking, oh, I did it by 4. But you guys would get these for like $1.50. That's why I can't do my math correctly. So $1.50. It's up to you guys what you guys want to do, but it's a pretty okay deal if you guys are interested in something like that. Now I also did the soft soap deal. I did this one correctly. I don't know where I was going. So this was, again, $3.99. You guys want to use two of those 75-cent off coupons that we got in the last week's paper. You guys would just pay $6.48 for the both of these. But then you guys will get 3,000 points, and you guys would get these for $3.48 or $1.74. So I wouldn't say that's the greatest deal, but like I said, I get an employee discount, so I wanted to do this deal. Now this is a deal where you guys can pay with points and get points, and it counts towards beauty. So if you guys bought like 4 of these and 4 of those and a couple other things, it will go towards beauty, so then you guys can get 5,000 points for that. So just giving you guys a heads up on that. I got my other bag to share with you guys. Now I ended up doing the Perel deal. Now you're going to see a lot of Perel going on sale over the next couple weeks because of back to school. So I plan on getting Perel wasted. So these were originally like $3.99 or $3.39, but there is that $1.99 coupon that is in the Walgreens ad. You just have the cashier scan it. You guys would pay, or you guys also want to use that $1 off coupon that is available on coupons.com, you guys would just get this for 99 cents. So it's up to you guys if you really want it. There will be other deals where you can get them cheaper, but if you guys really need some Perel right away, go for it. You know, don't let it pass up. So wanted to share with you guys on that. And then I went crazy over the soap and the puffs deal. I think this is a great deal. Now, when I was doing the Walgreens breakdown, I couldn't see the ad very well, but it looked like if you spent 10, but it's actually if you guys buy 10. So this is a deal where you guys can pay with points. So what you guys want to do is you guys want to buy either 10, between the puffs and the Dawns, you can buy whatever you want, but you need to buy 10 of them. What you guys also need to do, so you guys need to at least buy 2 of the puffs because we have those 25% off coupons that were in the P&G. So you guys want to buy 10. So you guys at least want to buy 2 puffs. So what I ended up doing is I bought 4 puffs because can't go wrong with tissues. So you guys want to buy whatever puffs, just make sure you guys buy 2 of them. Okay. And then I bought 6 Dawn soaps because I like to stock up on Dawn dish soap. So it was funny. I call this stuff flavors. Like, I don't call them scents. I call them flavors. And when I got to the register, the cashier's like, oh, you bought every single flavor. And I just started laughing. I'm like, that's awesome because I say that too. So I ended up getting the Mediterranean lavender scent. I got the New Zealand spring scent. The platinum, which is refreshing rain scent. I got pomegranate splash scent, orange scent, and apple blossom scent. And then they had the blue one, which I didn't get. But I ended up buying 6 of those. So as you guys can see, I got 4 puffs and I got 6 Dawn dish soap. And I will be going back to do this deal again. So I got those. You guys would end up paying $9.40 for all 10 items, which is a pretty decent deal. And you guys can pay with points. But you guys would get 5,000 points back, making it just $4.40 or just 44 cents a piece, which that is the best deal I've ever seen for these. Like, usually the lowest I've ever seen for puffs or the Dawn dish soap is 50 cents. So if you guys can get it for 44 cents, stock up. You know, these are great items to put in little gift bags or baskets for people. I put them in gift baskets or just anybody who needs them. I always have one of these right by my sink at all times because you just can't go wrong with those sizes of soap. So I wanted to share with you guys with that. My whole table is just full between here and CVS. So there's a couple other deals that I wanted to do, but my store was obviously didn't have them in stock. So I'm going to try to find some more deals for you guys to share with you. And I'll probably show you guys on Tuesday. But my total came to $27.25. Now I did have a $4 register reward that I got from last week for the cereal deal. So that went towards my total. So my total came to $27.25. I ended up getting that $1 register reward, and then I also got that $1.99 register reward. Now, I also got a third, I don't even know what happened to it. It was on here, now it's gone. But I ended up getting, oh, here it is. I ended up getting a $3 off L'Oreal Paris Lash Mascara. So, that doesn't expire until September. So, I got that also. So, I'm going to see what deal I can use with that. But yeah, so I got the $1 register reward and the $1.99 register reward. I ended up getting 22,000 points. Now I had to spend 25, get 10 Catalina. So I ended up getting 3,000 times 4 for the 10,000 times 4. Oh, I didn't get that Catalina. No, I did it. It didn't work for me. Oh, it's okay. I paid with points, so that's probably didn't work. So I got 12,000 points for the soft soap and the Irish Spring. I got 5,000 points for the Dawn, and then I also got 5,000 points for Beauty. So that came out to be 22,000 points. So I didn't hit the Catalina, but I'm not complaining. It expired that day anyways. So that came out to be $24 because if you look at the back of the receipt, 18,000 points is 20 bucks. So if I got 22, I got $24 back. So drum roll, I ended up getting everything for just 26 cents, which I ended up getting 10, 18, 19, 20, 21 items. 21 items for 26 cents. That is awesome, you guys. That's like almost a penny a piece. So I was pretty excited to share with you guys on that deal. But yeah, I hope to find a little bit more deals. It is a slow week at Walgreens this week. But one thing I would definitely do is the Dawn and the Puffs deal. I'm probably going to do that deal at least 2 more times. I'm going to try a different store. I'll go to my normal store and then I might make a pit stop somewhere else just because I cannot pass up those kind of deals. So yes, if you guys enjoyed this Walgreens haul, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button so I can share with you guys on more videos of saving money at Walgreens. And yes, I just want to say thanks for watching and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching again. Bye-bye.